Okay guys, so we're back and yeah, so you have to mix it till it's a marshmallowy texture. And now you have to get your activator. Close the shaving foam. Let's get our activator.
Wait, is mine done?
What?
Is mine done?
Mix it a bit more. But mix, look, the shaving foam falling there. So people know. So you want to get a bit of foam.
Now is it done? Now is it done? Now is it done?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, now give me the cloth.
Right now, so.
Please give me
No,
the
just
cloth.
swipe at the side of yours. You want a bit of activator.
Where will I mix now?
Yeah, now you need fingers again. Or if you want to have a spoon to mix. Like me and my brother, we're just stupid. So, we didn't get a spoon. Now you want to keep on mixing. Do you feel the slime is coming on or something? Because you need to hold it with one hand and mix it with the fingers.
Now you can have a cloth.
Wait, let's just leave that there.
Let me have a cloth. You didn't even put more on mine.
Yeah, wait, because you're not mixing it.
You can have a cloth.
Afterwards, your hands are going to get messy now anyways. So you're going to have to put it on the table.
Wait, why?
To knead it.
It's going to make a mess.
It's fine. The slime can clean it.
What?
Your slime is proper slime. I'll show you now. Just keep on kneading it when it's on the table. I just go around the circle. Oh, good. I just go around the circle like that. But I make sure I get every.
My hands are cold.
That's good. No, David, hold it with one hand and stir with the finger.
I can't because two of my fingers. Can you give me a cloth then?
No, you can hold it, David. Your hands are going to get messy anyways. Alright, so keep on kneading the slime until...
Yeah, I would actually do it.
Alright, so I'll be back when we finish kneading our slime and when our slime is made, so yeah.